In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life after you've done an oil change on this Toyota Highlander. Let's get started. To perform this procedure, we'll be using these buttons on the steering wheel, more specifically the OK, the arrows, and the back button. With your oil change done, turn the ignition to the on position, so press the button twice. We'll use the back button to exit this warning. And now you want to hold the OK button, which will bring up a menu in the center where if you scroll up or down, cycling through these screens, you get to the settings. Click OK to enter the settings, then scroll down until you get to vehicle settings. Hold OK to enter the vehicle settings. Scroll down until you see oil maintenance. Click OK on that. That'll ask you if you're sure you want to reset the oil life, so click yes. And that's it. The oil life has been reset. Now you can exit all of this and go back to your regular screen.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.